Hi, and welcome to another edition of Fridays with Phil. Today I'm here to help you balance your long term goals against your short term reality. As we start to emerge from the COVID 19 pandemic and let life shifts back towards normal for many, I have a lot of people telling me they're struggling with how to think about long term planning. And that makes perfect sense. We've seen how quickly our long term plans and goals can be turned upside down, and we've spent almost the past 2 years or so dealing with a lot of short term changes. So, how do we bring the long run into focus without getting derailed by the short run? One way is by thinking of the long term as a series of short term challenges rather than one uninterrupted straight line. Here are three simple strategies that can help you train your mind. Number one, number one, create a future you mindset. Who is the future you? What do they want? Who do you need in your corner to help you get there? Embracing your future self will help you create a better future by making smart choices now. Sound a little too woo woo? It's actually based on the concept of future orientation or embracing the idea that not only is the future unwritten, but that you can write it, especially for yourself. And this idea can have real benefits. Studies have shown that future orientation is a strong predictor for achievement, health, and happiness in life. Not bad. Number two, prioritize flexibility over certainty. As humans, we're wired to look for certainty. It feels good to think we have everything figured out, and our instinct tells us to act quickly in the short term to avoid the discomfort that we all feel with uncertainty. But in a complex world full of complex problems, acting quickly is not always the best move. We often get better results in the long term by keeping a flexible mindset and experimenting with different solutions. Number three, recognize how emotions affect our decision making. We've all had times when we've acted in the heat of the moment. Something makes us unusually happy or upset in the short term, and we make a snap decision that negatively affects our long term plan. I see this all the time with investing. Loss aversion is a term used in behavioral finance to identify the cognitive bias that causes us to focus so hard on avoiding losses that we often miss out on the big picture, long term benefits of a strategy. A real professional advisor is there to look after your entire financial life. In our case, we get clear on your values by asking the simple question: what about money is important to you? By getting clear on this, we help our clients navigate the short term while also guiding our clients to achieving the things that are most important to them. Listen, all the successful people I know have coaches. I personally have many. Just something to think about. If you have a question about what I've discussed or are concerned about your plan for the future, please use the form below, send me a message, and I will respond personally to all the messages. Thank you and make it a great day.